Hello friends, how you doing today? I'm about 6 weeks from the average last frost in my area. I probably should have done this like 2 months ago, but I've had some sweet potatoes sitting around and I'm going to try to get them to sprout. To get them to sprout, you just take one end, the pointed end of the sweet potato, and you stick it in water. You can use some toothpicks. I just had some finishing nails, and that'll help it not to touch the bottom. And after about a month and a half or so, you should start to see some sprouts. Another method that I actually like better is you can stick it in water on its side. If you put a little bit of dirt in there, I've found in the past that it helps it out better, but I don't have any dirt. And you can see that I do have some sprouts already at the very end. Tiny little pink nodules. And so I'm going to leave those sitting in the window in kind of a warm place, sunny. I'm going to change the water periodically every few days because one, as they start growing roots, they will suck up the water, and two, they often spray some hormone on it to prevent it from sprouting. My thoughts are if I change the water often, then any residual hormones that might be inside the sweet potatoes, they would eventually just kind of dissolve out, and since I'm washing it away and changing the water, then it'll have less of effect. We'll see. Anyway, guys, this year I don't have a place to plant these, but I am actively looking for a place to go. And hey, it's fun. It'll give me a leg up if I get a chance to do a little bit of growing. Anyway, guys, take care of yourself. Love God, take care of your family, and go out and help somebody. Bye.